Hello everyone, this is Rick, and today I'm going to show you another demonstration of the power and the speed of InstantBond and what it can do for you, okay? What we have here is some spun screws. There's two of them, and this little chair here has two spun screws and is loose. Now, I'll show you what we can do with InstantBond and how versatile it is. What we'll do in this situation here is we will spray the activator and the accelerator into the hole first. That way, as soon as the adhesive goes in, it will harden up. Now, mind you, you're gonna have about 10 to 15 seconds here before the adhesive hardens up and you won't be able to put the screw in anymore. You'll have to re-drill it. So what we'll do here is we'll just put in a bit of adhesive in each one. And now quickly, we'll just put the screw in and screw it in. Not too tight, because just enough to get it snug so it doesn't spin. Okay, stop right there. And the other one. Now what you gotta have here is a solid anchor once you get it in there. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I can feel it there. There you go. Now, when that hardens up, this ain't going nowhere. It's hard. This will be ready to go in about 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, this is another great example of the power and the use of InstantBond. There's nothing else you can do this with. This chair is ready to go. What else could you do? All right. Thanks so much.